I'm William. I'm the lead and the manager of the sensor port. So our role here at Path is to allow our system to collect a lot of information with very short amount of time, and we want to collect the most accurate information and the most clean information in the face of reflection or other type of noise. These problems are tough problems. They're challenging problems. What we are doing is very similar, in my view, back in the 150 years ago, in the first revolution, the Industrial Revolution, what people were doing back then. We are trying to release the human labor out of the very labor-dense industries. That does not mean we're putting people out of work, out of job. We are dramatically increasing the productivity of the industry and therefore of the country and of the world eventually. And we're seeing the real gap between the market demands and what the market can actually supply. So we're not necessarily putting anyone out of work, we're just trying to do our best to fill in the gap. So what we are doing is allowing more people to innovate, to use the true human brilliance is our brain, our innovation. That's the true masterpiece of the species of our own. Everything we solve is something that maybe people somewhere else have not seen before or attempted to solve before. We're facing a vast but empty market at the moment, and that means that we're pretty much the first one to do everything we're doing. And that's very exciting. Every single small things we improve for the whole industry. Every small landscape we change for the whole industry. And that's exciting. So personal impact is going to be great. Because whatever you do, you create, it's going to see that happening in factories over the country, all over the world eventually. Even we can send some of those technology to space one day, and we can do that by changing the way that we work on Earth right now. And we're making those changes. We're the first one there.